Winters can be brutal, and one of the greatest dangers they bring about are icy walkways. Slipping and falling on an icy walkway can lead to property damage, injuries, and sometimes even worse. Therefore, at Wesley, we worked long and hard to develop a way to alleviate the dangers that can come from this unyielding natural phenomenon. Introducing the Wesley SafeStep Panel, a non-slip surface acrylic panel that can be installed onto any existing walkway. Each multi-layer panel includes electric heating elements that provide a safe and gentle heating action to melt ice, frost, and snow from the top surface. Each panel also features internal LED lighting with white or colored lights that enhance visibility, safety, and security. Each panel is powered by an individual power cord or can be linked to solar power. It also includes a timer for automatic activation so that you can relax while the panels do the work for you. Panels can be made in any color and will easily piece together to fit any space. They can be implemented in homes, shopping centers, hospitals, parking lots, and more. The possibilities are endless. Our goal with the Wesley SafeStep panel is to provide you with invaluable safety with a product that's easy to use, because we know that with better safety comes a better life.